about bathroom cane with chair. Let's start with the opening of the box. So this 4-leg cane comes with one user manual for installation. It comes with 6 major languages including English, 4 leg rests to increase the height or adjust the height as per the requirement, 1 seat. This is easily washable with private part cut. 1 cane body. This can maximum bear of weight of 130 kg and it's made of aluminium. Now let's begin the installation of this cane cum chair. First we'll install this chair seat. As you can see, there is space similar to this cane body. You just simply have to put this seat like this and push it downward. There will be a sound of click like this. That means it's secure now. Now let's install this leg rest. As you can see, there are few options given to adjust the height of the leg. To install this, you simply have to press this lock here and let the leg slide. Like this. And if you want to adjust the height, simply press it and let it slide upwards or downwards as per the requirement. That's all for today. That product is now ready to use. Thank you for watching.